I don't remember how quite to get in this little bunker to pass the neck, but I feel like if we all just go at different angles, we can shoot at all of us at one time, you know.
No, I think this is a good plan.
Prisoner life variable will be optimized now. Stop right here, jungle.
Open, open, open! Open, 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 open! Ah!
Oh, look who it is there. At least you made it in safe and sound. We're a little worried about you.
The Mecky bottle. Yeah, not a sure. Oh, I forgot. I just kidding. I'm just
How dare you enter my lair, scumbags? Oh, just kidding. No reason to be afraid. No more than usual, that is.
Oh no!
This
Oh,
is
no.
Killbox, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see who lives and who gets horribly mutilated. Rules are simple. You have 15 minutes to acquire as much goodies as you can. One wrong step, though, and you better start running. It's a kill box, not a gift box. I see that there are a few of you here. We wouldn't want that to get boring, right, audience? So let's make it more fun, shall we?
Oh. I think we have problem. We have problem. Corner is unconscious. Corner?
Probably say that one might be.
I'm getting ready for Phoenix here for you.
Sometimes, you know, you just get in your zone, you forget to eat, and all of a sudden your body tells you to eat something.
I want to remind everyone that the new Killbox memorabilia keychain can be found in our store. Order yours now. It's getting a bit boring. Here, have a bit of entertainment.
pick up AT4.
Oh yeah, so there's people in the photo.
Prisoner safety is a standard we care for deeply in TEC1. It's getting a bit boring. Here, have a bit of entertainment.
That was quite fun already. Thanks for that one. Alrighty, I think we got all the rooms covered. I think we got everything here.
What do you think, you?
Sorry, I was thinking more about it. Yep.
Everybody at the door. 3, and 4, and 1.
30 seconds left. Roses are
Goldblock got
red.
us there for a
Violets
second,
are
but we got
blue.
even.
Here come the lasers to cut you in two.
But I make one mistake and it all goes to shit.
Oh, you can't blame that lock on
10
you.
seconds mark.
It's
We
depressing.
were both fighting with it. We were taking
5,
turns.
4,
Boy,
3,
very
I'd have to stop to unbundle.
stubborn child.
Yeah, take turns.
Well,
I'm
I
4
got-
for 5. You're 1 for 5 though. I did pretty good with the gold blocks tonight for the most.
Oh, you almost got every single lock inside there before you even got the one up.
Got another AT4. Very nice. Or the other one I was RPG.
I thought it was funny. I diffused that first door and you ran in, and I don't know if you heard me. I was like, yeah, what am I thinking? I went to the next door. I was gonna make you wait. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's okay. I was trying to sneak in before you can finish it. But if I run good quickly and we stand up and hit the door, you know, yeah, then you gotta go. You gotta run.
I'm gonna try to defuse.
Why?
You got Phoenix.
I definitely need to-
I'll stay with him if you want to go try to get that beeper. I'll patch you up if you
No,
get
I
blown
will
up.
not be able to get him right now. I am not sure. My skills are not very good right now. I will need to be practicing before getting beepers again. It's one of those things. You
Yeah, I just
don't
now
use
got
it, you lose
enough
it.
Phoenix tears. Yeah, it is, really. That's kind of how I feel with lockpicking and demo right now. Because I haven't been defusing beepers either. But I was like, well, once I get a good stockpile of Phoenix tears, I'll start again. I love how we're just having a casual conversation while my boyfriend just collapsed on the ground.
I thought you
Pick
were
up your
eating
guns.
before. What is your problem?
I know, I made all of that
Alright.
food. We got a full lunchbox.
I just forgot to eat, you know. It's just that I got excited going in there. You know, it's always fun to do the kill walk.
Well, I
Sometimes you
have
just
the
forget to
cabbage
eat.
roll stew.
Like in person,
Yeah, we
so I can
do.
eat some right
You
now.
have
Oh,
lunchbox
no.
with you. Perfect.
Oh yeah, it's in the car. We have a lunchbox, a medical box, all that stuff in the car. Just
Oh, well, let's
gotta
have
get
a
him.
picnic before we go to the next one. Oh, I don't know.
oh.
He's looking at us, you know. I think you know, I won't stop you. Just wait till we're outside the fence line.
Oh, not a sure.
Oh wait, there's another one.
I have 3. Oh, these cabbage rolls. Definitely, you are putting more spices in it than me. Very delicious. I think it's garlic. I think I was missing garlic last time I made this.
Yeah, it's good to have a little bit, you know, just in case you get like slapped around. You don't even need antibiotics.
I will make sure I do
Oh, I
not
think-
miss this ingredient next time. Definitely make
I think it's where we get our ingredients, you know. Crisco's a real good place to get some nice crisp. You know,
Oh, we
spices,
don't get
nutrients and all that.
our stuff in there. Mostly the motocross, the train yard, and then the store. We have some that we grow. Honestly, we need to get back to our gardening.
I wonder how good the food would be tasting if you got the ingredients from the radiation zone. Glowing spices there.
Alright, you feeling a little bit better there? You ready to go back on the road without passing out?
Oh yeah, I got a nice stomach full of food there. I think I'll be okay. I don't think we'll be falling asleep from the lack of energy from the food, you know.
So you have a burn injury.
Oh, you know,
Oh,
those
get shot.
zapper doors, you know, they sometimes cause some problems.
Right, let us do this final one. Let me check, make sure everything's good. I know I hit the
Alright,
tree
we're gonna
back
get
there.
driving over there. Try not to crash into anything when you're going off the off-road in there, you know.
Oh, I know I did. I hit the
jump
tree
in
at
front
the
of us.
Ah.
Alright, when you took off too, you know, but I was looking there, you know, that tree definitely jumped up. You know, it's always the worst when the rocks and the trees just pop up in the middle of the road there, you know, they're just trying to get hit from your car, and it's just your car's not quite made to go through those things. It's not like it's a tank.
I have to make sure I put some armory on the front before I go through trees.
Oh, that's always a good idea. So wheel armor.